Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. Everyone is safe and sound. Today's video, we're gonna be discussing something which will help you guys to do a better budgeting of your salary, especially the people who are on low salaries or who don't know how to manage their salaries. This concept it is really gonna help them. It's a pretty easy concept, and if you follow this one, you're gonna have a very good saving at the end of the year, and your expenditures and your money flow is gonna be really fluent. But before we dive into that, if you haven't subscribed or like my channel, please like and subscribe, share with your friends and family. So let's jump in. The concept that I'm going to share with you is known as 50 30 20 concept. It's a pretty famous concept. You can find many things online and many details regarding this one, but it's a pretty simple concept. It's easy to follow concept. It's called 50 30 20. That's actually the percentage of your salaries, but it's called 50 30 20 concept. So let's take an example. Let's say your basic salary is 3,500 reals monthly. How can you manage that salary as per 20 30 50 rules? So the 20% in this one comes as saving. So the 20% of 33,500 will be the saving. I think that will be around 700 reals. So that becomes your saving. You forget about that amount. This is my advice. Forget that amount even exists. If you have a loan, if you have a debt, you can save it for that or pay it. But if you don't have any loan or anything, my advice, save it and forget that amount ever existed. It's gonna help you at the end of the year. And after that, we are left with 2,800. Now out of this the remaining amount, this is the concept that we need to understand, where you need to really focus, which is going to help you. So the 50% is categorized as needs, and 30% is categorized as wants. What are needs and what are wants? To answer that question, to make it really simple, the things you cannot live without, those are your needs. But the things that you can live without, those are your wants. You want to have them, but life is cool without them. For example, electricity, a house, your car repair, your car gas, those are your needs. You need house, so house rent, electricity, your car, gas or repair, those are your needs. Your mobile internet connection, a Wi-Fi package, those are your needs. No one can live without this. But then if we come to wants, Netflix, is it really something that you cannot survive without? It goes for your shopping, your clothes. It goes for your shoes. It goes for dining out. The most things that are happening, people like to dine out. These are the things that come under the category of wants, which is 30% of your salary. 50% are your needs, the things you cannot live without. Your car, electricity, house rent, you have to pay them. These are the necessities of your life. You cannot live without them. So the 50% of your salary is 1750. And the 30% of your salary is 1050. Now you have to be smart over here. This is just to categorize that what are the percentage of your salary that you're gonna distribute under your needs, under your wants, and under your saving. You forget about this 700 that it ever exists, and you're gonna open this treasure box at the end of the year or whenever you are in need, or so you need to uh, invest it someplace, buy something. I mean to say, like a property or online investing or anywhere, to make it more. Invest it in some place. Uh, make assets of your life. Don't just spend on things that are not going to be as valuable as they are right now. For example, your phone, your laptops, your gaming computers, and like this. The things which has no resale value, the resale value goes down by the time. This saving is for future, to build up something for your future. So you completely forget about those. Then you work on your needs. What are your needs? How can you save from your needs? Maybe you don't want you already have a Wi-Fi at home. You don't need a data plan because you already have a Wi-Fi in your office and at your home. So you need to be very smart in this area, that which is the amount that you need. Then again, it comes to the wants. Now this is the more focusable area. This is the area that you really need to focus if you want to save money, because 50% of your money is gonna go under your bills or your shopping for your house, your food, your rent, your car, your a simple mobile package for your calling. Everyone needs a phone these days. But under the area of wants, you need to go through that. What is really that you want? Do you really want clothes this month? Okay, do you really want shoes this month? How much do you dine out? There are many softwares online available for that, with the name of wallet or smart budgeting and something like this. You enter your budget and you enter your expenditures, and it will show you the percentage of your expenditure that's going under which category. So if you feel like your wants are exceeding more than it has to be, you need to focus on this. You need to go through it one by one. What are the things that you're spending your money on, and you need to limit it. The same goes to your needs. Maybe your house rent is too high. Maybe you can find another place with a low rent. The same thing goes to electricity. Maybe you're living in an apartment which has a higher. I don't know, in other countries, in this country, in Saudi Arabia, there are some houses that have a commercial connection for electricity, and they are charged more than the normal ones. So these are the areas that you need to be smart. It doesn't matter how much your salary is. If you're smart about your salary, believe me, it's gonna be pretty simple to manage everything. So I would strongly recommend that you follow this concept. It's a very interesting concept. 700, if you save 700 each month, and so by the end of the year you have a saving of 8,400, and that is without your house rent. That is without if your company is giving you a bonus, if your company is giving you a travel allowance. If you're receiving that one, I was discussing 3-5 as your basic salary. Whatever you receive over that, you put that in saving as well. For example, you receive 500 as your travel allowance. So travel allowance after 1 year, it's gonna be 6,000. So you have a complete saving of 14,400, and that is without your bonus. If the company is giving you a bonus, or you get something extra, could be your overtime, your extra working hours. This is without those things that you're saving already 14,400, and after 5 years you have 72,000. So see how much you can save just with this concept. And with the time, after 10 years, you're gonna have enough money to spend on something, to go into the real estate, to buy something, buy a house, give it on rent, buy a shop, give it on rent, not spending on things which have no value in the future, like electronics and those things come under your wants. So you control your wants, you you manage your needs, you check the alternative options that you have, and it's gonna really help you, believe me. So I would strongly recommend you guys just follow this rule, 50-30-20 rule, and let me know how it worked out for you. This is all from me for today. I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe and share with your loved ones. Take care.